Hey, Bobbers. Well, it's one of these days again. Yeah, we're going to work on the pine. So it's a beautiful day here again. Nice and sunny and 14 Celsius, 58 Fahrenheit. So really nice working weather. There's a good breeze going, keeping the bugs away. And it's nice and early for change. So should get a lot done today. Yeah. Pencil. Looks like it's off a tiny bit. But I won't know for certain until I get... Yeah, it's hard to tell. Well, I'm going to put a couple of pieces up and see. These ones are always a little bit tricky to do. And I wasn't sure if I should cut a board this length and put it in and then a board that length. But I thought maybe if I do it one board for the whole thing, at least I can clamp it from either side to get it down in there. If I need to. Pretty slick there. Interesting. I'm coming down on the tongue over here. Oh. Oh. Alright, I gotta go cut it. I was doing this side into the wall and this side up to here. Yep. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay. Do this again. Yeah, that's beautiful right there. Nice, Mrs. Pancakes. Real nice. That worked really well. Pretty happy with that. I'm off by a full inch? How is it even possible? I measured this twice. Are you kidding me? Oh. Now I have pine on my fingers. 82 and a half. I measured this twice. It was 81 and 3/4. Unbelievable. Jeez. Nice day for doggos to be lying on the deck. There's no bugs around. So it's not going too bad. I got up above this window and looking at doing the next one. I think I'll do a piece from here right over to a beam past this window. But that means I got to start over above the cement board up there and start working up next. Which means I got to clear out all that crap. Oh. Anyway, gonna take a little break. Lunchtime. Strawberries are coming out. Oh yeah, tomatoes. Oh, that's way off. What the hell? Off by almost half an inch. I ran into a bit of a problem here where looks like the pieces I put up between the windows, I started to go slightly off kilter. So when I came across this window here, this board here, I had to pull it way down, so there's a real big wow in it now. And I'm trying to deal with it. It's not easy. So there's actually a bit of a gap here between these two pieces. So trying to work around it. So they say cut every end of every board, because at the mill, you know, they're pretty rough cut, and in some cases they're really rough cut. And somehow I'm miscutting the end off of this board, and it is really rough cut. So I'm just up here. I've already nailed it up. So either I pull it all off, try and pull that board off, probably ruin it in the process. Or I leave it like this. What do you guys think? Oh, I'm pulling it off, aren't I? Damn it. It had so much time. this stuff right there. Well, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's closer to 6 here, actually. Cheers, everybody. Just having a lemon lager. Oh. I just saw a ballooning spider. That's weird. Yeah, so I was getting pretty tired near the end there. Making stupid mistakes. Just, you know, measured 47 and 5/8 and cut 48 and 5/8. Had clearly in my head 47 and 5/8. I don't know. You get tired, you make dumb mistakes, and it's really time to stop. So I'm just going to chill, but I'm glad I got that wall done. Tomorrow I'm going to work on the north wall by the battery box. Just see how much I can get done. It gets really tricky over near my electrical panel, and I haven't done. There's still some insulation that needs to be done there, so I'm not sure how far I'll get done. It'd be nice to get that area over to the sliding door done, but I'm not sure. Oh, so I had this really long commute from the living room to here. It was really windy this morning, and there was no bugs, and then it calmed down a lot, and there were some bugs around, but now there's a nice steady breeze, and it's keeping most of the bugs away. That's alright. So I'm just going to sit here and listen to the birds for a while. Junebug, willow! They're around here somewhere. All day. They spent all day outside. They didn't go very far. They don't go very far with all this foliage. They don't like it. Can't blame them. You've got those hummingbirds racing around here. They've brushed my hair a few times, just buzzing around. Like when they get like chasing each other, they don't worry too much about who's up here. See that? Okay, there it is. Well, everyone, I think that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. Make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment as well. I read every comment. I reply to most of them. So yeah, do that too. Take care, everybody.